Today's December 19. We're in the snowstorm in Virginia, 2009. And Dada's trying to, trouble. Hey! That's a lot, Dada. There's Jinjin's car.
I'm tired.
Good luck, Dada.
Dang it. What?
You have to do the whole back corner too, that whole... You need a snow blower.
Just this side. Just this part's already. I'm ready.
Don't even try to do it, Dada. Nobody's gonna walk on the sidewalks anyways. Honey, that's enough.
Come on, let's go inside.
Okay. Look how much you got done out of that whole back corner.
It's hard.
Good job.
I want to make any glue here.
No, I'm cold later. Let's rest first.